CNU Vision. By 2027, CNU, a globally recognized institution as agile and technologically proof smart campus. CNU Mission. Developing graduates equipped with world-class competences and imbued with positive values for them to be future-proof ready and become great leaders, professionals, and stewards in their chosen vocation and of the society amidst of destructive, volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous, and divergent conditions. Quality policy. Cebu Normal University commits to deliver excellence in instruction, research, and extension services for global competitiveness. To meet increasing levels of customer demands and delight statutory, regulatory, and international standards through continuous quality improvements, transparency, and good governance. Toward this end, university goal and aspiration are aligned to the institution's strategic directions, university charter, and government strategies for global preservation and poverty alleviation. Quality management principles of customer focus, effective and efficient leadership in all levels, people management, process approach, evidence-based decision-making, and relationship management are observed. To ensure compliance with the commitment, relevant and responsive virtual and/or physical monitoring, review, and upgrading of service delivery are implemented. Quality objectives. QO1. Increase average passing percentage of board examination programs by 20% of the national passing. QO2. Ensure 80% cohort survival of graduates in the undergraduates program. QO3. Increase number of publication in the referred reputable journals. QO4. Increase technical advisory extension services that are responsive and timely to the needs of the community. QO5. Timely completion of financial accountability reports. QO6. Increase customer satisfaction index in all services of the university through fast-tracking services in compliance with service delivery charter. QO7. Institute timely risk management protocols in order to mitigate effect of risk in its various process deliveries. QO8. Ensure confidentiality of records and/or information in compliance with the provision of relevant statutory requirements.